Tired of blurry security footage that misses important details? We've tested the top models to bring you the 7 best 4K security camera systems of 2025 that deliver crystal clear surveillance day and night. These advanced systems feature Ultra HD resolution, color night vision, and AI-powered detection to distinguish between people, pets, and packages. With 360-degree coverage, weatherproof designs, and local or cloud storage options, you'll never miss a moment. Whether you need basic home monitoring or comprehensive business security, our picks have you covered. Click the link below to compare these top-performing systems. Let's dive in. Your property deserves protection you can actually count on. The 7th product on our list is the REOLINK Smart 5-megapixel 8-channel home security camera system. This 4K security camera system from REOLINK offers a number of smart features that improve awareness no matter where you are. The security cameras automatically detect motion and provide real-time alerts to your smart devices as it happens. Over time, the system differentiates between cars and people for more accurate notifications. You can also program the cameras to only report motion in certain areas, so you'll get notifications if someone walks through a designated zone, like your back porch. All the cameras in this REOLINK set are also virtually weatherproof, with a rating of IP67 and an operational temperature range of 14 degrees to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The 6th product on our list is the Swann 8-channel 4 Camera DVR Security System. This is an all-in-one security solution that comes with 4 cameras which are connected together through an 8-channel HD digital video recorder. The cameras are designed with night vision capabilities, although their range of night vision up to 130 feet and a motion detection software that differentiates between cars and people. The security system also detects heat, so there won't be any false alarms on random debris. The security system comes with a 12-month warranty period, so any damaged or defective products will be replaced during that time. The digital box includes 2 terabytes of storage space, but it cannot be extended. The 5th product on our list is eufy Security eufyCam S3 Pro 2-cam kit. This 2-camera security system is much smaller than many other options on this list, but comes with multiple features that make up for that lack of hardware. The biggest feature unique to the eufy system is built-in radar detection. This radically reduces false alarm motion alerts and keeps an eye on areas of the property within range that may not be directly in view of the camera. Each of the cameras is also built with a solar panel on it, so if installed outside, the camera continuously charges throughout the day, dramatically reducing the need for maintenance. Up next in 4th place is the Amcrest 4K Security Camera System. If you are looking for an exceptionally durable 4K security camera system, this option from Amcrest is your safest bet. The complete system includes a total of 4 security cameras and an 8-channel digital box. With an IP67 water resistance rating, the security camera system is great for outdoor use. The cameras themselves come with sturdy exteriors that won't shatter or break if dropped. The main hub comes with 2 terabytes of default storage space that can be extended up to 6 terabytes. Furthermore, the 2-year warranty ensures that you get great value for your money. The 3rd product on our list is the REOLINK 4K Security Camera System. The REOLINK 4K Security Camera System is extensive enough to cover a large area, boasting a total of 8 cameras and 16 channels. The third-party compatibility allows you to connect additional cameras from other manufacturers as well, so you aren't locked in to exclusively REOLINK products if you commit to this. The 6 terabyte storage space is not that impressive, especially considering the number of cameras, but it may be enough if you're deleting stored footage every few days. In addition to the 4K footage, the security system comes with built-in microphones in each camera that record clear and crisp audio. Furthermore, the software supports complete remote access from both Apple and Android devices. The second product on our list is the ONWOTE 16-channel 4K PoE Security Camera System. This security system from ONWOTE is great for large homes, businesses, or commercial warehouses. It comes with a total of 16 cameras and 4 terabytes of internal storage space, which can be increased up to 20 terabytes. This provides the flexibility to install cameras wherever needed, and in combination with the maximum storage capacity, allows for multiple days of footage without running out of space. That said, the night vision capabilities are not that remarkable with a range of just 100 feet. Though with 16 cameras, you likely won't need any single one to cover 100 feet of depth by itself. All 16 cameras are water resistant and can easily be installed in exposed areas. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the ZOSI 4K Ultra HD Security Camera System. ZOSI is a relatively new brand, but its security systems boast a number of features that outperform many similar setups at comparable prices. This security camera system in particular is a great option for individuals looking for something that balances affordability and quality. There are a total of 4 cameras in the system, and it comes with an 8-channel support box for potential expansion. A 2 terabyte hard drive is also installed in the video recorder. All cameras included in the package are rated IP67 for weather and dust resistance, making them ideal for outdoor applications. This set also includes night vision with a range of 200 feet, between 50 to 100 feet longer than most options at this price point. That's all for our list of the 5 best 4K security camera systems on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.